Yeah, what's up, my people? It's your boy Godfrey Washira Maze. This time we have something very powerful for you. It's a podcast session coming through very soon, and it's called Let's Talk Mental Health. So very many people are going through mental issues. They're going through depression, anxiety, low self-esteem, but they're not coming out to talk to people. They're not coming out to share their stories. They're not coming out to seek help. Why? Because maybe they're afraid they'll be judged or something of the sort. Especially boy child Maze. Boy child kuna venye Maze saa zingine tunajiwekea vitu huko ndani Maze, hatutaki kutokea kushare, hatutaki kusaidika Maze, tunajiwekea tunasema tisini wanaume, but it's something that we actually go through each and every day, and it's something that you can actually be able to come out of. So we are going to have a very powerful and educative podcast session for you on mental health. We'll be sharing on people's stories, how people went through depression, how they were able to get out of the situation, cope up with depression, anxiety, people who had low self-esteem, and right now they are living their best lives because they are the best versions of themselves. So I hope you guys are ready for this, Maze, like I'm ready for this. I hope you guys are just ready for this, and you're ready to support me, you're ready to engage with me, you're ready with the comments, you're ready to share your stories, and Maze, this is going to be powerful. I'm so sure that you will connect with this, so I'm asking you guys to be ready. It will be coming on soon. I'll be sharing the date, I'll be sharing the poster, and each and everything that you need to know, Maze. Shukran.